Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the product. Today, we're taking a look at the login page for GoFoxPro, which you can access at https://www.gofoxpro.com/cart.php?do=sign in. This is where you'll begin your journey with the GoFoxPro software, assuming you've already created an account. It's a straightforward login screen with fields for your username or email address and your password. Once you've input your credentials, you simply click the login button to access the full suite of GoFoxPro's features. While the interface is simple, it's important to remember to keep your login details secure. Don't share your password with anyone, and consider using a password manager to generate and store strong, unique passwords for each of your online accounts. This protects you from potential unauthorized access and safeguards your data. Accessing your GoFoxPro account is the first step in leveraging its capabilities. Whether you're using GoFoxPro for, mention specific uses of GoFoxPro if known, otherwise generalize, e.g., streamlining your workflow, boosting your productivity, managing your online presence, the login portal acts as the gateway to these tools. It's a crucial starting point for maximizing the benefits of the software. Remember to bookmark the login page for easy access in the future, or simply search for GoFoxPro login in your preferred search engine. For those who have forgotten their password, there's typically a Forgot Password link located near the login button. Clicking this link usually initiates a password recovery process, often involving sending a reset link to your registered email address. This allows you to regain access to your account even if you've misplaced your login details. This simple, yet essential, login process ensures that only authorized users can access the features and functionality of GoFoxPro.